What is cryptocurrency? Are you guys still asking this question? All right. Well, if you need a breakdown, you came to the right place. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, this is a little bit different than what we currently talk about, but I've had some few people reach out to me saying, hey, I really want to know more about this crypto, blockchain, metaverse, this tech space, and we are people in tech, and even though we're focusing on coding, we do expand from time to time, so this is going to be part of a crypto playlist on the channel, so if you like it, go check it out. But I had a friend ask me this straight up. My friend Corinne came out to me and she was like, hey, how would you describe what cryptocurrency is? I'm not techie, I'm definitely not a millennial, I'm not going to tell you my age, but I would just like to know cryptocurrency 101. So that's what we're going to be doing. Let's break it down. Cryptocurrency, aka crypto, is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods and services, but uses an online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, and it has been volatile as I mean, I never forget, if anybody knows me personally, I remember being in the living room with my fiance at the time, talking about Bitcoin. It was around $2,000 a coin. And she was like, oh, maybe I should buy a few. And I was like, that would be awesome. But, you know, when you're in a relationship, you don't want to tell your significant other, like, what to do with their money, because that's just, Well, 2,000 on Monday, 3,000 by Wednesday, about I think 6,000 by the end of the week. And that was in 2017 where like it just went off. And everybody who wasn't a crypto person became a casual crypto person. So let's start off with the first question. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged for online goods and services. I already said that. But many companies have issued their own currencies, often called tokens, and these can be traded specifically for goods and services that company provides. So think of them as if you were in an arcade or you're at Disneyland and these are Disney bucks or even Dwight Schrute bucks, right? You need to exchange real currency for cryptocurrency to access a good or service. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology which is spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. The part of the appeal of the technology is in its security. How many cryptocurrencies are there? And what are they worth? Well, the second part is a little bit harder, but the first part's easier. More than 13,000 different cryptocurrencies are traded publicly according to coinmarketcap.com, a marketplace where they pretty much do market research. Cryptocurrencies continue to just baffle me because they are raising money through what's known as initial coin offerings or ICOs, and the total value of all cryptocurrencies as of October 2021 was more than 2.5 trillion. Having fallen off an all-time high of 2.6 trillion a year earlier, but the total value of all Bitcoin, the most popular digital currency, is around 1.2 trillion. Now, I can't tell you which are the best cryptos to buy because at the time of this recording, somebody might say SHIB, and you might be a SHIB millionaire 2 or 3 months from now if you listen to that person. I'll at least give you like top 10 in terms of market capitalization, which you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Cardano, Solana, XRP, Polkadot, Doge, Shiba Inu. Those are, to me, the most popular, and I'm sure people go to comments and be like, he doesn't know Bitcoin, he doesn't know crypto, he totally missed out on all these other amazing altcoins. I'm sorry, guys, this is just crypto 101. I'm still casual, just give me a break. But here's the next question. Why are cryptocurrencies so popular? I mean, they really appeal for a variety of reasons. Let's be honest here. Supporters see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as a currency of the future. They're racing to buy them now because they think, dude, Bitcoin's gonna replace cash, F MasterCard, F Visa, all that stuff is just gonna be thrown out because people gonna realize the value of Bitcoin, the value of blockchain, the value of cryptocurrencies. Some supporters like the fact that cryptocurrency removes central banks from managing the money supply. And let's be real, banks are greedy. If you live in America, during COVID 2020, I saw something where it was like, I can't remember the exact number, but it was something billion. Like $21 billion was made in overdraft fees. If you need to send money, say you're on like some gangster stuff and you got a family or friend who's like, hey, I'm in a bad spot. I'm in another country. I'm in Africa right now. Can you just wire me $3,000? Well, you have to go to your bank. They have to contact another bank in another country. Wiring money, you might not know it, but you're putting a lot of faith in the banking system. When really you wish you could just say, let me just send you the 3K myself and not have to worry about any middleman. So other supporters really like the technology behind cryptocurrency, aka blockchain, because blockchain is decentralized processing system, which is recording every transaction that's happening, and it's something you can go back and trace. It's transparent. Everybody can see it. See, I can't go into Chase and figure out everything that happened at Chase because that's their data, that's their information. But on blockchain, it's all about being transparent. I always kind of like to, this might not be the best example, but I kind of look at it like if all your coworkers were to tell each other their salary, the company doesn't want you to do that, but there's a lot of benefit of knowing what other people make, because then you can be like, hey, like I do exactly that person's job. Why am I not getting paid? But that's a different episode. Are cryptocurrencies a good investment? It depends. I'm going to tell you yes. I think you should get into it, but I don't think you should put all your eggs in one basket. That's the short answer. The long answer, cryptocurrencies may go up in value, but many investors see them as mere speculation, not real investment. The reason, just like real currencies, cryptocurrency generate no cash flow. So for you to profit, somebody has to pay more for the currency than you did. That's what's called the greater fool theory of investment. Contrast that to a well-managed business, which increases its value over time by growing the profitability and cash flow of the operation. I mean, for those of you who see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as the currency of the future, it should be noted that currency needs stability. And they're not wrong. Some notable voices in the investment community have advised or would be investors to steer clear of them. But every few weeks, people get FOMO. The new Dogecoin came out, now Shiba Inu, and you got people going on Instagram saying, man, this one guy dropped $8,000 and now it's worth $57 billion the next year. So are they a good investment? I mean, what is a good investment, right? A lot of people tell you real estate and stocks and stuff, but the crazy thing is, I will say though, in the crypto space, there are a lot of, what's this called, penny stocks, but there are a lot of coins out there that are under a cent. And you have a lot of people out there who are trying to find that Amazon.com, that Google.com. Like, remember the .com era where people would try and buy domains like pets.com and Google and books.com? All these common domains were bought because people were like, what's going to be the next big thing, this .com thing changing the world. So crypto to me is kind of like that, where, you know, you have Bitcoin, which is the most popular. It usually kind of like driving most of like when it's going up, when it's going down. But what I'll tell you from personal experience is it really is volatile. So some people, if you're looking to do like short-term investment, and again, this isn't a financial channel, but some people do like the short-term investment, like you can make a quick buck. You can also hold on to this. And like I said, 2017, me and my wife, Bitcoin, $2,000 a coin. At the time of this recording, $65,000 a coin. I would love to be in my Cybertruck right now if I would have just said, buy the effing crypto. So that leads to the next question. How do I buy cryptocurrency? While some cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are available for purchase with US dollars, others require you to pay with Bitcoins or another cryptocurrency. So to buy cryptocurrency, you're going to need a wallet, an online app that can hold your currency. Remember, we're talking the digital world here. Generally, you create an account on an exchange, think of like Coinbase, and then you can transfer real money to buy cryptocurrencies. So when I explained this to my mother, I was like, Mom, it's like going to Disneyland and giving them $100, so they give you $100 in Disney bucks. But you can only use it at Disneyland Park. Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency trading exchanges. And this is by no means a plug for Coinbase. That's just the number one. I think it's right now the most downloaded app in the App Store for iPhone people. And you can create a wallet. You can buy and sell Bitcoin. You can buy and sell other cryptocurrency. Coinbase to me is kind of like the pass as a mom test. It's usually like if you're brand new to crypto, you don't know anything about it, Coinbase is a really good place to start. But once you dive into the rabbit hole of cryptocurrency, then you're gonna have people telling you about all these other online brokers. eToro, SoFi Active, Robinhood is even in the crypto game, Binance. Like, there's so many places to buy crypto that if you guys know them and I didn't mention them and you feel like they should be mentioned, just leave it in the comments below. Now, cryptocurrency is legal? I've gotten that question before. There's no question that they're legal in the United States, though China has essentially banned their use, and ultimately whether they're legal depends on each individual country. So be sure to consider how to protect yourself from fraudsters who sees cryptocurrency as an opportunity to really just screw people over. Let me give you a perfect example. Squid Games came out on Netflix, hit show, and somebody's created we call these shit coins. BS coins, whatever you want to call them, altcoins, but they're really bad coins is what I'm trying to get at. Now, one of the reasons a lot of people get into these altcoins is because they're worth so little, but the opportunity for them to like just 10x over time because of momentum, because of popularity, whatever the case is, I mean, it's there. You can strike gold. But you gotta be careful because Squid Coin was ripping people off. People were putting so much money hoping it would blow up that when it blew up, no one could actually sell. So you had people going on Reddit and Twitter like, I have $10 million in Squid Coin and they won't let me sell. And now it's worth nothing. And now I feel like I've been screwed, which you have been, unfortunately. So how do I protect myself? If you're looking to buy a cryptocurrency in a ICO, just read the fine print. Like whatever the company's white paper is, who owns the company? Are there any major investors? Will you own a stake in the company, or is it this currency, or is it this tokens? Is the currency already developed, or is the company looking to raise money? Guys, I went to Startup Week in Phoenix, Arizona. Shout out Phoenix. And this dude came up on stage and he was like, I am making a blockchain for real estate and cryptocurrency. He looked good. He had a nice suit, wearing glasses, looked like a smart young man. At the end of the presentation, I realized he not only didn't have a team, didn't know anything technically, couldn't code, but he just pretty much had like 30-40 minutes to go up on stage and be like, hey, anybody want to work with me and do this real estate thing? It was like, to me, like a perfect example of like a startup where it's like, hey, we don't have funding yet, but we can give you a whole bunch of equity. So my advice, if you're starting off, just download Coinbase. Stick with whatever is on Coinbase. And if it's something you can't pronounce or you never heard of, I say do your research before you take any further steps. And like I said before, Coinbase, eToro, Gemini, Robinhood, Webull, so many places you can go buy cryptocurrency nowadays. So I hope you found this episode interesting. I hope you found it helpful. The question you might be asking is, should you buy cryptocurrency? Just know it's incredibly volatile, but the risk and reward ratio is really what's getting more and more people in. And as you see, more and more companies and places are adopting it. So like Mark Cuban says, maybe like 10% of your paychecks that you just kind of throw in there and just like look at it like I might just lose all that money. Like don't put all your eggs in one basket. And then once you dive into it further, go on TikTok, go on YouTube, go on all these platforms, look what people are saying, start getting involved in the crypto world. So that's all I got for you guys. This is Crypto 101. Go check out the rest of this playlist where we break down blockchain, NFTs, and some of the other common things in the crypto space. That's all I got for you guys. I'm out. Peace.